What up, what up, what up? It's your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. That's right, y'all. It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. I hope all is good. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves and made some money this week. And I hope you're ready to study so we can be prepared to make some money to finish this week off and into next week. Now, guys, in this video, I'm going to give you guys a couple of plays that I like that I think could make some money for us either tomorrow or going forward into next week. So you definitely want to lock in and get ready for this. Now, you already know how I go. Veterans of the channel, go down below, like the video, drop a comment. Every time you do, your support helps my channel grow, and I appreciate that so much. Also, watch this video from beginning to end. When you watch from beginning to end, you're going to learn throughout the entire process, and the YouTube algorithm is going to love me, and for that, I love you. And if you're new to the channel and you're interested in options trading, I'm your boy. I'm the options boss. I'm going to give you the game from A to Z and let you know how the thing go. So what you need to do is you need to go down below, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and click all notifications. And when I drop these Get Money Jewels, YouTube is going to make sure you get it first things first, right off the press, so you can put these gameplays and strategies right into play the very next day, soon as the market opens. Now, guys, before we jump into it, first things first, I gotta shout out what we did earlier this week. Guys, if you watched the channel, you saw earlier this week, I talked about positive divergence. And the two examples that I gave you guys to teach you positive divergence was ticker symbol BABA, which of course is BABA, and ticker symbol RBLX, which of course is Roblox. Now, guys, when I gave you those examples, I told you that I expected those plays to print, and I told you that we was probably going to see them print in my premium options Discord. And what happened? Of course, they printed. We ate good off Roblox this week. We ate good off BABA this week in the premium Discord and in a small account $500 challenge. Now, you see the knowledge is real. You see that the education is there. So with that being said, if you jumped in that Roblox and made some money this week, or if you jumped in that BABA and made some money this week because of this video that I put out last week, then what I need you to do is I need you to go down below, click the link, and go to my Amazon and grab the new options trading book that I just put on Amazon, How to Trade Options for Beginners, the crash course. The reason why you want that book is because that book is going to give you a whole lot more knowledge and insight, just like what I give you on this YouTube page, except even more in depth. That is going to be your guide to how you find these type plays. And also, you want to get down there and you want to find a premium Discord and you want to jump into premium Discord with us and you want to jump into $500 challenge with us. And the reason why is because we praying out money in there. Today was a great day in both Discords, so I was happy to see that. You definitely want to get down in the link and grab all that information and make sure you want a winning team going forward. Now, that being the case, guys, knowing that we just printed on Roblox, knowing that we just printed on BABA, we're looking at another couple of plays that I think can print for us. The first one is going to be ticker symbol. If I can get it on the screen, let's scroll a bit. There we go. TESLA. Of course, guys, we're talking about Tesla. Now, you want to know why I think Tesla is going to print. So this is the chart right here. You know, we always do everything via the chart. We don't go by feelings. We don't go by emotions, what we think, what we hope. None of that. We go straight to the chart. So if you look at the chart, guys, the first thing you're going to see is this shaded blue area right here. And that's called a gap. So, guys, you all know I do all of my charting on TrendSpider. And TrendSpider has this great tool on there that I love to use. It's called the gap detector. So what the gap detector does is it tells you where a gap is on any particular chart that you could be looking at. I want to say it tells you 99% of them. Occasionally it'll miss a gap, but it'll tell you where 99% of the gap are. The reason why you want to know where the gaps are is because gaps usually fill in time. It may fill to the upside if it's a gap down, or it may fill to the downside if there's a gap up. But they're going to fill at some point. So you definitely want to know where those gaps is, because when you can get a play in the gap, it's going to be easy money more times than not. Now, let me explain to you what a gap is. A gap is when you close a candle, this candle right here, if you see it, at one level, which will be right here, and you open up the very next level, the very next candle at a level way down here. So what happened is there's a gap between those two candles. you'll notice most of the other candles, there's no gap in between them. They either start right next to it, right below it, right above it, etc. This starts way below. So you got this candle right here. This candle, I'm going to tell you, this candle right here, guys, closed at 177. Excuse me, this candle here closed at 177. And then you got this candle right here, which opened at 165, I believe. So that's a $12 gap down. So what you want to see is you want to start seeing this thing move over 165. Excuse me, it's 166. But you want to start seeing this thing move over 166. So this last week, I believe Friday, we got over that area. We got to 170.79, which was the highest candle you see me on now. And because of that, we did jump into some Tesla calls, and we were looking for that thing to move. However, what happened was we got in a gap, and you'll see sideways day, sideways day, sideways day. So that's the next 3 days after Monday, right? And now we're to the point where the highest last candle that we just finished today is 173. If I can show you on the screen, 173.57. So now what we're looking for is we're looking for this thing to go above this area right here, which was 173.80. If it can get above 173.80, excuse me, not that candle, that would be that candle right there. If it can get above that 173.80 area, then what's going to happen is this thing is going to move because it's going to be further into the gap. And I expect it to fill the gap and get completely up to that 177 area, which was the low of the candle that started this gap down. So that is going to be a gap fill. The gap fill is going to basically erase this entire box that you see. And that's what I'm looking for Tesla to do. It's already inside the box, so half the gap is already filled. I'm looking to fill the second half of this gap tomorrow, if not going into next week. Now, the great thing about gap fills is sometimes you'll fill the gap on one day. Sometimes it'll take several days to fill the gap, but usually the gap is going to fill, whether it's one day or several days. So we're going to take a jump at this Tesla call. We're going to see if we can fill that gap tomorrow. I got some 0 DTE contracts for tomorrow already for the Discord. So if this gap fills tomorrow, we're going to eat off of that. And that's why I tell you guys you should be in the Discord, because you get to play at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock whenever I put out my YouTube video. The Discord get to play live, so we're already in this play. And if it prints, we're going to make money while you got to wait until tomorrow morning at 9:30 to jump in. Still could jump in if it works, but we're already positioned. We're already comfortable. So that is going to be the difference between the YouTube and the Discord. Because of this gap fill, because one of my members gave me some intel to put eyes on Tesla, I checked it out. I see that there's a gap that needs to be filled. I'm already positioned, and I want to see how this plays out tomorrow and going forward. Also, guys, I want to show you another play. And that second play that I want to show you is right here. Let's widen my screen a tad bit if we can. Didn't mean to put that up there or that. Let's see. There we go. Now let's widen this bad boy a little bit. Bring it into focus a little bit. There we go. Now we're starting to get them candles out there. So now you're starting to see what we're looking at, guys. And what we're looking at, this is ticker symbol. If I can show you, as always, where we at, right here. Ticker symbol COST. Of course, guys, that's Costco. Now, I like Costco right here. I like Costco going forward. And you may ask why I like Costco right here. So first of all, if I go down on the chart, you'll see the MACD right there. And as I show you that MACD, what I'm going to show you is, where's my mouse? There we go. You'll see that the blue line is just starting to cross above that yellow line. So that's a bullish signal right there. I like that. If we go up a little higher to the RSI is curled to the upside and it's sitting on, what is that RSI number right now? The RSI is, if we can get over there, 54.64. So that means we have plenty room to the upside, but it is definitely pointed to the bullish area. So I like all of that. Now, if you look at these candles, right here where my mouse is, I'm going to move the mouse so you can see, but this red candle right here is sort of like a hammer. You see the wick at the bottom and you see the body at the top. So that's a red hammer coming on a downtrend. So when you see a hammer candle on the downtrend, that is usually a sign for a potential reversal. And that's a good thing if you want to play calls on the stock. So you see the reversal signal. You don't just jump in right there, because if you jump in right there, you don't know if the reversal will confirm itself or not. But the next day, it did confirm with a bullish candle. So I had my eyes on Costco. It closed the day around 500. Nice. Next day, we kind of went sideways a bit, closed around 500 again. Next day, closed around 502. So we moved, but we didn't move super strongly. And then we get up to today, and today we got as high as 503. Excuse me, the day before that, uh, we got the 504, but we pulled all the way back. So we rejected that 505 area. We got the 504.94. We rejected 505, and we closed that day red. And then today, we had an open at 499, which is where we closed that yesterday. We got as high as 503, and we closed at 501.89. So I want to enter Costco calls. I see the hammer that tells me that we could be reversing. I see the bull candle after the hammer to confirm the reversal. And then I see a little bit of consolidation. I also see the MACD crossing up. I see the RSI has plenty of room to the upside. Now the only thing I'm waiting for is for us to break 505. And if you don't know why I want us to break 505, go down below and ask me in the comments, why do I want Costco to break 505? When Costco breaks 505, I'm going to be in calls. The Premium Options Discord is going to be in calls. I hope wherever you are going to be in calls. If you don't know what calls that you should be in, that's another reason why you need to click my link below and get in the Premium Discord. That's another reason why you need to go down below and get on Amazon and go buy that book, because I give you this type of information and education so you can know how to do it on your own. But nevertheless, above 505, I like Costco calls, and I think Costco has the ability to go up to that 515 area. You can see Costco get up to that area very easily, because that's the type of way that this stock moves. So I'm definitely interested in Costco. I'm definitely interested in Tesla. And I hope you are definitely interested in that book that I got on Amazon. Guys, it's a great book. I put my heart and soul in that book. And I really want y'all to go check it out. And I really want y'all to learn from it and become better traders from it. Guys, I'm going to link the video right here where I was talking about Roblox and when I was talking about BABA and how them things printed out. And I want you to watch that video and then go look at the charts to see what it did for yourself firsthand. Guys, make sure you in the Discord. Don't forget, you can always be a boss with the Options Boss. You already know I'm a holler when I holler.